Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to J Events by host Jetty. So, we're here to give some tips para sa ating mga future bride to be and groom to be. Ito na nga ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. If you are planning for your wedding, much better to have or hire for official or professional event organizer can provide all the things you need on your wedding day. Sample, you have an event organizer that can provide you a catering, the photo and video, makeup artists, hosts, event coordinators, pika-pika, or anything that we need or you need on your special day. Much better to hire them for you to have a less stress and hassle-free on preparation or preparing your wedding. So, maganda yung kumpleto na yung kukunin ninyo. So, here at J Events by host Jelly, yan guys, we offer a full package but excluding the venue. Dahil yung venue po ay wala po kaming tie-up kasi we cater any part of NCR and outside of NCR. So the client will provide the venue but we provide all the things they need on their preparation of for their wedding day. Ayan, so from catering, photo and video, makeup artist, event host, coordinator, glazing table, um, photo booth, we can provide them all. We can provide them all except the venue. So the client will provide the venue, but we are assure you we will make your venue more exciting and memorable for you. Just hire my team to experience fun, organized, and remarkable wedding reception. Ayan. So we also offer a church wedding, our church styling and entourage. So ayan guys. For more details, visit my page at J Events by host Jenny. Diyan niyo makikita yung aking mga sample works o mga natapos naming event ng aming team. So, for now, please like and share our photos and videos in our page. Thank you so much!